Good afternoon, tutor and classmates. Next, I will talk about the acquisition of WH question, a simple case in Indonesian children. This consists of 9 pages, in which they talk about how the children of this country progress in simple words, to multiply words and their modific structures. Can you see? And as mentioned above, this really interesting as they change a simple word to another and they make it look so easy that it really is amazing. The children in Indonesia, like the children of other countries, acquire their language by means of sounds, such as babblings, and words that they begin to understand from the 6 weeks, and they begin to emit after the 6 months. This is not of the another word signs in every country. The children learn their native language in this way. We can say in this table an example where the children in Indonesia make statements, for example, change of sentence that can be observed but perfectly as a word is spoken by children. Adults change it and translation of English scenes. For example, see butterfly is say for children and adult is come see butterfly. And the English translation is let us see the butterfly. In the following table, this, we can see how they use the words in their language and what they mean in English, such as to say what Papa says, can you see in this table? And the different words that begin with the WH in English, they have a meaning or better. A meaning of better. They are writing different, but they say practically the same. This is really very interesting. As they do to use the WH in different way. I like language and see how they use it under other countries catches my attention. Now we will make an analysis about methodology. These that you are using in this country, and to use the WH, this is applied to H people. To 8 people, 4 boys and 4 girls, by means of some forms that contain 7,774 questions with WH which is used, little by them, and so summary. It refers to the theory of acquisition of the first language. This methodology seems to me a bit out of context since they use many words for so few students to learn them. It is good to start with the list so that they are assimilate, and in this way they know the result are the waiting. Sorry. Let's continue with the findings. Gain an important use in question with WH. In Indonesia, children get important ways to use it. I really agree if in this country they start to use more questions with WH, you can better acquire the results that are waiting for you. Finally, the conclusions in which explaining what happening when applying this in Indonesia. To sum up this study, I would like to state here that in the early stage of acquiring question, Indonesian children typically start to acquire WH words such as siapa, apa, mana, and campaign. In the major usage of question words, especially for apa, what, Indonesian children prefer to use describe verbs to know what enjoys doing. In the other form of question word like bagaimana, how come Indonesian children seems to be delayed in accurate in this question, however they can participate this with the other productive law question words such as cook or engage. And finally, the opposition of question words placed by Indonesian children are very typical question words. Siapa mana, siapa who, and mana is where, are in initial position or process now and demonstrative pronoun main way. The question word apa what is the other way around. Thank you for see my video. Bye bye.